And working with Design Source Media were great. They would help guide me through the website building process. They would explain certain buttons and functions and stuff like that. So it was really good for someone who is not that computer/tech savvy. My name is Dr. Greg Macluckie, and I'm the owner of The Positivity Perspective. A lot of people get stuck upstairs and they limit themselves and they think of what they can't do. The essence of the website and the presentations are all around revolving our mindset. Why did I look for a web agency? I built my own website, but I was building the wrong domain name. I'm not a web designer at all. I know my strengths. It's taken me a good couple of years to figure that out. That is not one of them. And why did I go for website designer? Because that's not my lane. I don't know that. I know about speaking, presenting, about the human body, but I know where my strengths lay, and it's been a very good experience working with Design Source Media. These guys are huge. They're making it work for you to take my thoughts, considerations into the project. They're very accommodating for whatever the client wants or needs, and I am the client. So they did a great job. Go with Design Source Media. These guys rock, and they will make it very easy. They have a great team. They'll do a good job to getting the product you want out there. Be firm with what you want. Come up with some suggestions. Give them some guidance with what you would want, but then be firm with what you want, and they will make it happen. There's stories of others trying, such as my other story of building my own previous website on GoDaddy. There's other people who try and save a buck by doing it themselves, and guess what? It looks like you saved a buck. I would highly recommend Design Source Media to get your site built. It's simple. Why do something yourself when you can have the pros to do something great? And that way you can invest time into where your strengths lay.